Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami french fries. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will be alerted of new crafty fun video when they come out. So to make an origami french fries, you should have two sheets. One is square sheet and one is the 1:1 ratio sheet. So what I did, I took a square and I cut it in half and fold it from the right side, and exactly same from the left hand side. Now let's take the entire things and fold it in half. Unfold it. Fold the bottom side to the center crease that you just created. Rotate and repeat the same thing on this side. So fold this side straight up to the center crease and then unfold it. So now you notice that there is an opening right over here. There is also one on the other side, but all we need is one side. So you just slip this side, the right side, into the slot on the left side. So just slip it in like that. Do the same thing over here and just slide it in. Should lock into the place just like that. Now you have your little triangle fry. So just make a couple of these, 3 or 4 should be more than enough to fit into this pouch. So now let's work on the french fry holder. You have to fold the entire thing in half diagonally, crease it in, and then you have to fold all of it in half again, except you have to make a pinch. Fold at the bottom just like that, so you don't crease all the way and unfold it. And now you have the center point. So now with the center point you can sort of image folding this triangle in third. So if we were to split this triangle in third, it would be right about here and maybe right about there. So I'm going to eyeball it just like this. They look about right. Crease that in and then take this side and fold it all the way over. So now let's take the top flap, only there should be 2, and fold it all the way down. Flip it around and do the same thing on this side. So just take this flap and fold it all the way down, flip it around again. And now we have to open these two flap up, and so open up the left one and right one, and then we are going to reverse this, fold over here. So this top one, reverse it and reverse this one as well. Fold it back and then fold this one over and this one over, and then we have to slip the right side into the left side. So just flip it right in. There should be an opening, and now from the top you should be able to stick your finger in there and open it up. So just stick your finger in there like this and then flip it around, and over here we are just going to pinch the corner. So you have to pinch the corner right here on the left and also the right. And then almost curve it with my fingernails. So now we can I think that it's almost completed. Just I have to make a curve. So now we can put our french fries in. You can fit 3 to 4 french fries in this. So that is how you can make an origami french fries. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.